Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Finviz to find breakout stocks. Finviz is a free, powerful stock screening tool that helps investors identify potential trading opportunities. It's known for having one of the best stock screeners in the industry, allowing you to filter through thousands of stocks to find those with strong price momentum and increased trading volume, which are key indicators for breakouts. To begin, head over to the Screener tab on the Finviz website. Here, you'll find various filters to narrow your search. For breakout stocks, focus on technical filters like price above 20-day moving average, price above 50-day moving average, and price above 200-day moving average. Also, set a minimum average volume, perhaps over 400,000 shares, to ensure liquidity. Once your screener provides a list of stocks, it's time to analyze their charts. Look for clear patterns where the price is breaking above a resistance level. This is often accompanied by a significant increase in trading volume, confirming the breakout strength. Common patterns include channels, wedges, or triangles. Finviz can even help you filter by specific chart patterns. After identifying potential breakouts, refine your search by adding fundamental filters like return on equity or EPS growth to ensure strong company health. Always check recent news for any catalysts that might be driving the price action. Remember, screeners are filters, not guarantees. Always conduct your own thorough due diligence before making any investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.